Hello everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'll be guiding you through how to edit your profile on Peacock TV. So let's get started. Open a web browser and in the URL box type in peacocktv.com and search. Also make sure that you're logged into your account, and from this page, go ahead and select a profile you'd like to edit. To select a profile, click on the pencil icon right under your name, and then this will take you to the Edit Your Profile page. In this page, you can select your avatar for your profile by clicking on Change Avatar. Select one of the avatars from the list, and once you make your selection, you'll be able to change your avatar for your profile. Apart from your avatar, you can also change your profile's name. Go ahead and erase your name and type in a new one and click on Save. Under Settings, go ahead and change your maturity rating if you want. Make sure to lock your profile with a PIN by toggling on this button. If you want to change your PIN, click on Change PIN and enter your current PIN in the text box. Enter a new PIN. Confirm your new PIN and click on Save in order to change your PIN on your profile. If you want to turn off the lock feature, make sure to disable the button, but in order to do so, you'll need to enter your PIN one more time. Click on Turn Off Profile PIN and then you'll be able to disable your profile PIN option. If you want to enable the autoplay reviews for your profile, make sure to toggle on this button. If you want to turn it off, leave it disabled. You can also go ahead and change your personal data by changing your date of birth, your gender, and your zip code. So that is how you can easily edit your profile if you want to make some changes on it. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.